guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I downloaded I Am Cat VR. That's what you get. You're such a bad grandma. Give me You suck. Hold up, Grandma. Got a notification. What? Beat you up. Uh-oh. Hi. What you gonna do to me? I need to go upstairs before I die. She's old. She can't get up the stairs. I'm better than. Okay. Oh. Boom. How bad do you have to be to play this game? No. Oh, Grandma, you suck. I got claws and you don't. Let me go through here. I'm a cat. How can I not fit through there? What is going on? Can I move? There we go. Aya! No, get away from me. Help me. Grandma! Go! Yeah. Come on. There we go. No! Where's Grandma? Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Grandma! Pick me up! Yay! Look, Grandma. Yeah, I did. Alright, Grandma, I'm sorry. I have to do this to you. Oh, wait. What did you just say? Did you say my cat is damaging? You want me to get cheeky? Rah! Am I not strong enough?
What did you?
What did I do to you? Frick you. Stupid. I'm gonna respawn and I'm gonna beat her up. Where am I? Oh, Grandma beats cats. Where's the phone? Grandma! This is what you... Oh. What'd you say? Shoot, I almost... Oh, I didn't mean to hit you. Grandma? Grandma. Let me go. Wait, I can pick you up? Cat. Don't trust Grandma. No. Better not even try anything. Because I haven't... Give me your glasses, Grandma. Oh, you don't need those. Because you're dead. No, you don't need those either. Come with me. Come with me. Boom. Play group tag. Get knocked out. You're just asking for it, huh? No! How did you see me? You don't even have any glasses. I died twice already. I don't know how many lives I have. Oh, wait, I have 9 lives, stupid. I'm going on my cat watch, Grandma. Mole over, hit 10 moles in 45 seconds. How do I get outside? It's my question. Grandma, can I go outside? Grandma, where are you? There you are. Let me go. You sleep. No! Get! I suck at this game. Do I have to use my claws? Grandma, can I get your fishies? Oh. I gotta go. I'm just gonna go upstairs, Grandma. Yep, Grandma. Oh wait, I'm unstuck, Grandma. Okay. Hello. Let me scratch you. I'm a monster. You don't want to mess with me. What you looking at, smiling on your face? Whee! Oh, it's like I'm swimming. Grandma, where's my pet robot thing? No! I'm stuck. Oh, what's this? Oh, this thing? Let me go, Grandma. What secret meh? You guys seen that safe already? Oh, come on. If you don't let me go, I'm right. I'm gonna rage. Yay! Thanks, Grandma. Grandma, I'm just gonna see if there's anything I need to know behind here. Oh! No! Is there anything I need to know that's up here? Uh-oh. Grandma, are you mad? Better not be. I'll destroy you in a game of basketball. Wait, so I can't use my claws to move. Oh, hi, Grandma. I'm not gonna do anything. No! Why is your table so hard to get up on? Where's that mount? Oh, kitties. If only Grandma loved me like them. Yeah. Please poop. What's your password? Break your PC. That's cool. I hate you so much. Throw your stupid glasses. Frick you. Robot! No. Grandma, your thing is supposed to be friendly. Wake up! Actually, I don't want to wake you up. I'll go to my friend. Hello, friend. Hi. Come with me. Oh, sorry. Do you want to get smacked? Come on. Couldn't come with me? Come on. I'm floating. Where did I click? Oh, there we go. Ready? Hurry up. You can't come up here, actually. So don't even try. Robot friend. Oh, there you are. Come on. Come on. Teach me how to get outside. Grandma. Can I go outside, Grandma? Do I have to open this door? Let me push this door open. Grandma. How do I go outside? Oh, this was press that button. Oh, that button. Oh, hi. Hey, get over here. Too good. Too good. Too good. Can't stop me. I hit 10 moles. Boom. Boom. Fist bump. High five. Alright, I'll take it. Oh. Boop. Boop. Where'd it go? Come here. Come here. Get him. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Grandma, move. I'm trying to catch this mouse. Grandma, you suck. You just ruined my game. Who knocked you down? I gotta run. Bro, we gotta run. We gotta run. No, no. Oh, oh, oh. Bro, you gonna come with me? No, you're not coming. Off you chomp. Bye, buddy. to watch this. That's right. No, I don't want to click that. Ugh. Woo! This game is so fun. If she's still mad at me, I'm scared. Because literally, I'm better than that cat. Come on. Just do it. Grandma! If you have the frying pan, I'm running from you. You know that, right? Grandma? Shoot! You should have protected me. Next time I'm hitting her down. I thought she would be happy with me. What's that? Do I have a message on Discord? What did I get from Elliot? I'm just gonna do it in voice. I thought you had to go to bed. That's what you get. Actually, I'm gonna try and make you happy, Grandma. I'm hungry, actually. I'm thirsty. But of course, Grandma doesn't feed me or get me water. I think I'm trained to do this. Give me some water. How do you drink water? Do I have to pick up the water? How is this not breaking? I'm gonna finish the rest of my food. This is so buzzing. Grandma, thank you for the bussin' food. Wait, letterbox? Oh shoot, I can't eat it. Well, that's not fun. I know what this does. I need to close it. Ooh. What is this? New locations? Oh, it's not that. Whoa. Well, Grandma can't go upstairs. This is what you get for being a bad owner. What you gonna do about it, huh? Got another one right here.
I'm gonna heal. You'll get large for me.
What you gonna do about it?
You'll get large for me.
I watch out.
You've got to for me. You've got to for me. I'm gonna heal. You'll get.
Bye-bye. I gotta get a knife or something. Oh, what a wombat me. Oh, frick.
You'll get fun for me.
Ah, what a wombat me. Fuck you, Grandma. I don't care what you
Це трошки. You've got to for me.
ruining your house. Oh, I like some bread.
Monsieur, you've got to for me.
What you want? What you gonna do about it? My car. Ow. There we go. Now I grab right here. I throw it. Grab right here. And I throw it. What else do I have to break? No, that's no. Oh! Look at that in this piece. Oh, frick. What you gonna do about it? Grandma, fuck you. Throw me.
Це трошки.
Boom!
Це трошки.
I hate Grandma. I'm gonna go to the cow now again. Oh, guys. Guys, I know you're still there. I'm gonna go over to the cow now, and I'm gonna go. Oh, break stuff again. I need to bring my robot buddy somewhere with us. Oh, chicha, baba, chibi. Baba, chivo, baba, baby. I think I need to quit and rejoin the game. And the Panther. I'm gonna load it up again. Papa G, Papa G. I am Carol, the Exorcist, to a new folder. Oh, that sounds horrible. And the Panther dressed in black. Oh, where's Grandma? I hope she's not by the kitchen. That's where I'm gonna be. Grandma. Don't come over here. Grandma, no. Grandma. Here we go. You like this cup? You like this cup?
Це трошки. You'll get far for me. You'll get far for me. Поносил. You've got to for me.
Go, 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 go,
Це
go.
трошки.
Oh, I should have ran away. I'm not been. Cuh. Where's Cuh, Grandma? There she is. She's a Cuh. There we go. So first, draw. Go.
Поносил. You'll get far for me.
Take this, Grandma. What about this? Is this your favorite plate? Is it? Whoa, too bad. Cry about it. Oh, and this one? You said this one's yours.
Це трошки.
You said this one's
You've
yours.
got to for
Get it.
Це трошки. You'll get far for me.
Fuck you, Grandma. doing what I want. Come here.
Це трошки. Який хлопчик у мій.
I can't answer right now. Oh, frick. Sorry.
Який хлопчик у мій.
She's gonna cry about it. Wee. I'm just gonna set it up late. She's still not waking up. Oh, I remember. These are mine. Flip off.
Це трошки.
One. Want the
Який хлопчик у мій.
job off. Shot. I'm gonna go ahead and eat your treats. So you can do. Actually, you guys enjoy like and subscribe.